Okay, so we're going to get started on our sprint for today. Happy Monday. Today, our sprint is about number bonds, and I'm sure, 100% sure, you guys will be able to complete this super fast and easy. So, if it's missing the whole, you have to add the parts together. But if the number bond is missing the parts, you have to use your brain to come up with your own parts. Got it? I know you do. So remember, we start from the left column and go all the way down. Then we go to the right column and go all the way down. Ready? Set, go. Mama said, fulfill a prophecy, be something great. Go make a legacy, manifest destiny. Back in the days, we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, build your biographies, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, beauty and victories. Every day, we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated. All tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have hopes for living. Always had a vision, always had hope. Had hopes for living. Didn't know how, always had a feeling. Always gonna be that motivated. Always Awesome job, boys and girls. I can't wait to get your sprints for today. All right, our concept development is beginning. So count the number of cubes in your stick. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 cubes. I'm going to break off 2 cubes and put them in my lap. How many cubes do I still have? 4. Very good. I had 6. I took away 2. And now I have 4. Very good. Now listen to my sentence. 6 take away 2. 6 take away 2 is 4. Say it with me. Get ready. 6 take away 2 is 4. 6 take away 2 is 4. So now our job is to draw a picture of what I just did. So I am going to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw that picture. My rectangle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add one more. 6. So I have 6 cubes. What do I do to the 2 cubes I took away in my drawing? I cross them out. Very nice. Cross them out. So the number sentence would be, what number did we start with? 6. And we're taking away, so what symbol? Minus. And how many cubes did we take away? 2. Equals, how many cubes do we have left? 4. Let's read this number sentence. Ready? 6 minus 2 equals 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now what would happen if we had 2 cubes? Let me get my eraser real quick. What would happen if we had 2 cubes and 4 cubes and we put them back together? How many do we have now? 6. So this would be in a number bond. We had 2 and 4 and we put them together and we made 6. Now, what would happen if we had 6 and we took 2 away? Now, how many do we have? 4. Very good. So this is how that would look in a number bond. We know that 2 and 4 make 6. But how many did we take away? 2. So we would cross that one out in the number bond. And that is how we do subtraction number bonds. We cross out the one that we are taking away. So let's work with a different one. I'm going to make 6 in a 5-group way with dots. Do you see how I did that? I made 6 in a 5-group way. Now I'm going to roll my dice. Oh, let me get my dice. I'm going to roll my dice and we're going to see what number I get. I got 1. So I'm going to cross out 1. My job today is to create a number bond and a number sentence about what just happened. So I had 6, I took away 1, how many are left? 5. So I'm going to create a number bond about what just happened. I know that I have 6 altogether. I took away 1 and I have how many left? 5. Now, what am I missing in this number bond? Yes, I have to cross out the 1 I took away. Very good. Now I have to write my number sentence about this. So we always start our subtraction sentence with our whole number from our number bond. So we'll start it with 6. And the symbol we always use is minus. And we took away 1. And we had how many left? 5. Very good. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And that's how this one would look. Now let's try this game again. Let's hope I get a different number when I roll my dice. If not, we'll just roll again. So we already did 1. Let's have a little cross out up here of what numbers we've already done. Okay, ready? Rolling my dice again. I got 2. So I am going to cross out how many? 2. Very good. So I'm going to cross those out. Now it's time to create my number bond. I'm feeling silly. I'm going to do it this way. My total number is 6. How many did I take away? 2. And how many are left? 4. And which one do I cross out? The 2. And now I'm going to start my subtraction sentence. And we always start our subtraction sentence with the whole number, our whole. 6, and our symbol is minus, and we took away 2, and that equals how many are left? 4. Let's read the number sentence. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Your turn.
6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's add that to our list. And let's start again. Remember, if I roll the same number, I'm just going to roll again. I rolled the same number, rolling again. Rolled the same number, rolling again. Oh, we got a new number. 4. So how many am I going to cross out? 4. This is a fun game you can play at home to practice your number bonds, just so you know. You can also get the 10-sided die if you want to do larger subtraction sentences. So now I'm going to do my number bond, and we start where our whole is always 6. And how many did we take away? 4. And how many were left? 2. And how many did we take away? 4. So what do we do to that one? Cross it out. Very good. Now let's create our subtraction sentence. We always start with our whole. Then what symbol do we use? And how many do we take away? And that equals, how many do we have left? 2. Let's read the number sentence. Ready? 6 minus 4 equals 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Very good. I'm going to add that to our list. We still have 3 more we can do. Let me erase this so I can roll my dice again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder which one I'm going to get now. I got that one. How many is that? 3. So I'm going to cross out how many? 3. Very good. I know that Violetta is saying it loud and proud. 3. So I am going to do my number bond. Remember, we can do our number bond all different ways as long as the numbers are right and they're in the right spot. So what number goes in our whole? 6. And how many did we take away? 3. And how many are left? 3. And what number do we cross out? 3. Or the other 3, because they're the same number, huh? All right, and now our subtraction sentence, we always start with the whole. We put our minus because we're taking away. And how many did we take away? 3, and that equals 3. Let's read it. Ready? 6 minus 3 equals 3. Awesome job. We're going to add that to our list. We have 2 more. I'm going to do 1 more though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what number my dice lands on. It has to be different than one we've already got. It landed on 6. So what do I do? Cross out 6. I cross out all of them. I wonder how that would look in my number bond. Well, our whole is always, in this situation, 6. And how many did I cross out? 6. And how many are left? Tricky. 0. Oh my gosh. And then what do? We have to cross out the amount we took away. Now let's do our subtraction sentence. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Let's read this number sentence. Ready? 6 minus 6 equals 0. Very good. We're going to add 0 onto, 6. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? 6 onto our list. So I have one number bond, number sentence, and dot cross out picture that I am missing. It goes right here. I want you to send it to me in a picture on the chat. And that is our secret code word for today. It's our secret problem for today. So I hope you guys can help me and find that missing number. And you have to do your dots, cross it out, your number bond with your cross out, because that's how we do it for subtraction sentences, and your number sentence. Can't wait to see it. And that's it for today's concept development. Here is our problem set for today. Cross out 1 hat, and then you're going to fill in the number bond. So for this whole page, you just have to cross out however many it says and fill in the number bond. But what is important about our number bonds? Because I know with our addition number bonds, we just put in the numbers and we leave them alone. But with our subtraction number bonds, there's something special we have to do. Cross them out. Yes, I'm scared for some of the people that don't watch the videos because they probably don't remember or know that they need to be crossing out their number bonds. And you are so smart that you watch the video, so you know that a subtraction number bond has to have the one that's taken away crossed out. Let's go to the next page. Fill in the number sentence and the number bond. Take away 3 hats. Fill in your number bond with the one crossed out and your number sentence. We practiced this a lot today in our concept development, so I'm sure we're going to do amazing in our problem set. You do not need much help from me. You guys are the smarty pants. And I want to say something. Your parents, show them how smart you are by doing these problems by yourself. Just have them read them to you. They can read them to you, but you are powerful and you can do it by yourself. All they have to do is read it to you. And even then, you can read all the words on this page. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.